Example 5. I have to represent this in my simplest form. So enna pannalam? Cos x I can also write it as, I'll write it here. So cos x is basically cos 2x enna pannuvom? Cos square x minus sin square x nu eduvoma. So this will be cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. You also have to remember your trigonometry from your class 11. If you don't remember, please watch the videos. I have given the link in my description. Okay, description link poi paarenga, illati Math&Me class 11 trigonometry nu potingna, please watch all the videos from my playlist to revise your knowledge. Okay, you guys will know, but I'm just telling you. Okay, but sin x ku eppadi eduthalam? Sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, so this will be it. So what will it be? Tan inverse of cos x eppadi eduthalam? Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 the whole divided by sin x eppadi eduthalam? 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. How can I write my 1? 1 eppadi eduthalam? 1 can also be written as, what do I know? Cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1 nu theriyuma. So I can also write my 1 as cos square x plus sin square x, or I can also write it as cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2. Ippadi eduthalama? So what is my next step? Tan inverse of cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. You'll understand why I'm doing this. Divided by 1 eppadi eduthalam? Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So what do you see? This is my A, this is my B, this is my A square, B square, and this is my 2AB. Therida? A square plus B square minus 2AB. So this is of the form of A minus B the whole square. So numerator la enna irukku? A square minus B square. So this I can write it as A plus B into A minus B. Correct? So this will be tan inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, A plus B, into A minus B, which is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. And what happens to my denominator? Denominator la A square plus B square minus 2AB. So I can write this as A minus B the whole square. So what is my A? Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 the whole square. A minus B the whole square. Now what do you see? Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 in the numerator, and one of the cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 will get cancelled. So now enna irukku? I have tan inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. X by 2 is only for the angle, okay, not for the whole sign. X by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. What do I need to prove? I have to write this in the simplest form. அப்ப இது என்ன பண்ணலாம்? I can further divide by cos x by 2 in the numerator and the denominator. So what will I get? Tan inverse of dividing the whole equation by cos x by 2. So I'll have 1 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is going to be tan x by 2. The whole divided by cos x by 2 by cos x by 2 is 1 again, minus sin x by 2 by sin x by 2 is going to be tan x divided by 2. So in the இடத்துல எப்படி இருக்கு? It is 1 plus tan x by 2, 1 minus tan x by 2. So what is this? This is of the form tan inverse of tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. தெரியுதா? I can also rewrite this as tan inverse of, what is 1? Tan 45, which is tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 2 the whole divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x by 2. So this is of the form tan A minus tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. This is nothing but tan of A plus B, correct? So I can rewrite this as tan inverse of tan of A plus B, which is pi by 4 plus x divided by 2. Tan inverse of tan theta is going to be tan theta itself. So this is, I'll write the final answer in the top here. So this is tan inverse of tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is simply theta. What is my theta here? Pi by 4 plus x by 2. So this is my final answer. Okay, clear? So first enna panna? Cos x I wrote it as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Denominator, the sin x I wrote it as 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 I can also write it as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Correct? Idella formulas. Okay, then 1 I can also write it as cos square x by 2 sin square x by 2. Why did I do this? I see that this is minus 2ab. Appo a square b square pota, I can simply write this as a minus b the whole square. In the numerator I have a square minus b square. So I can write this as a plus b into a minus b. So in that a minus b and one of the a minus b will get cancelled. So I'll be left with cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by this. When we are dealing with inverse functions, we know very well about tan functions rather than sin and cos. அப்ப இங்க இருக்கிறத tan ஆ மாத்தணும்னா என்ன பண்ணனும்? I need to divide by cos. If I divide by sin, I'll get a cot, but I needed tan, correct? So cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 is going to be 1 plus tan x by 2. Denominator it becomes 1 minus tan x by 2. So it will be tan inverse of 1 is nothing but tan 45, correct? So it will be tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2. And this is 1 minus tan pi by 4, which is 1, correct? In that but for the formula sake, I'm writing it like this. So I have tan pi by 4 tan x by 2. So this is of the form tan of a plus b, correct? So this is tan of a plus b oda formula. This is tan a plus tan b the whole divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. You remember this from your trigonometry, okay? So in the formula use panna, I'll write this as tan of a plus b. So tan inverse of tan theta is going to be theta provided it is in the range, correct? So I have pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is my final answer.